The dish I'm going to show you today is one that really highlights how easy it is to cook in your Thermomix and absolutely wow your friends and family when you have them over for dinner. This is one of my family's all-time favourite recipes. It's the sticky pork belly with jasmine rice. So let's get started. I've popped it into my weekly plan. Here it is, sticky pork belly with jasmine rice. The very first step is to get 300 grams of jasmine rice that you've already rinsed until the water runs clear. That's really important. And you're going to pop it into a 1.2 litre Varoma Bundt tin, which is available on the Mix Shop, and we've got the link in the description below. Now that is going to go into our Varoma dish. No tray necessary in this recipe. Pop the lid on and just set it aside while you continue on with the recipe. All right, the next step is we are going to weigh on the top of our bowl, not inside, and we're going to pop in our 10 grams of dried shiitake mushrooms. You can do dried porcini if you want to, preferably sliced, right? We're going to go to our next step and we're going to weigh in 200 grams of water. This is one of the best features, and this is why it's so easy to use your Thermomix, because you can just keep weighing one ingredient after the other without changing bowls. Next, we're going to set this aside because we really want those shiitake mushrooms to soak in that liquid. And we're going to pop into our bowl some brown sugar. It's 80 grams of brown sugar. Now, feel free to substitute with some maple syrup if you like. I've done that at home and that works really well. 2 cloves of garlic and 2 little knobs of ginger that you've peeled. All right. We're just going to chop that for 5 seconds on speed 10. Beautiful. What you'll see is that the brown sugar, the garlic and the ginger has all been minced together, ready for our next step, which is 50 grams of water. And we want to put our simmering basket on top in place of the measuring cup. 5 minutes, 120 degrees, and speed soft. Okay, that's done. Next ingredients, we're going to pop in our 6 spring onions that have been just cut into small pieces, and you reserve the green, nice finely sliced, for garnish at the end. So we want 6 grams of spring onions. We want all of our sauces, which is light soy, dark soy, a bit of oyster sauce, and our Chinese cooking wine. All of those sauces go in. And we want our boneless, rindless pork belly. So I tend to grab the rashers that you can get in the supermarket, just cut the rind off and then chop them up into about 2 centimetre by 4 centimetre pieces. But you absolutely can get your butcher to do that, or by all means get the pork belly in a whole piece and cut that up. So 800 grams of that. And now we're going to pop in just 100 grams of the liquid that you were soaking the mushrooms in. So just try to hold on to those mushrooms because they're not going in just yet. And we want 100. Simmering basket back on. And we're cooking for 20 minutes, 120 degrees on speed 1. Okay, now that it's finished the first step of cooking, we're going to replace our simmering basket with the Varoma, remembering we have the Varoma Bundt tin in there with the rice. And we're going to pop 400 grams of water in there. Now I am going to use the rest of the soaking liquid for the mushies because it's got some awesome flavour in there. We're going to pop that into the Varoma Bundt tin and top up the remainder with just some more water. A little bit of salt, some sesame oil. This is all to flavour that rice while it's cooking on top of the Thermomix. And finally, the drained mushies. Okay, lid goes on. And we're just going to cook it for another 25 minutes on Varoma temperature, speed soft. And now you have your hands free to do whatever you like. What I love about this dish is that it's utilizing the whole Thermomix and you're cooking your rice with the steam that's been created from the pork below. Our dish is ready. All that's left is to plate it up. So here is our beautiful rice in the Varoma Bundt tin and our sticky, beautiful sticky, yummy pork belly. And there we have it, the beautiful sticky pork belly with jasmine rice done in your Thermomix, all in one hit. For more recipes like this one, jump onto Cookie Do. The link is below in the description.